What would you like to be when you grow up, Paris?
A doctor.
A doctor? And why is that?
That's why I got this toy.
No, why would you like to be a doctor when you grow up?
Because I love fixing people's.
You love fixing people. That's very nice. Are you gonna fix Mama when Mama gets old?
Yeah.
And Daddy too?
Yeah, of course. I will. That's a great idea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you.
Hip
Hooray!
hip. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Yay, good job.
Love you, precious.
We love you, anak. Good morning, baby girl. Do you wanna sing happy birthday to Ate Paris? Do you wanna sing happy birthday to Ate Paris? Nak, say hi. Good morning here, Nak.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Who's the birthday girl?
Me, I'm 4 years old now.
You are.
I have to do bigger stuff.
You have to do big girl stuff now. What are the big girl stuff? Can you tell me?
I have to go toilet.
That's right. Go toilet. What else? Maybe not sook?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe not sook? Tignan nyo, nag-shower yun siya. Hindi shower. Nag-bath early in the morning. Kanya nakaganyan yan siya. At ang kanyang baby sister, kakagising lang.
So, the surprise. Okay, guys. So I just got a surprise for you.
Yeah, who gave that to you?
It was a can and decorated with
Who?
rockets, fire,
Who?
and spaceships. And this is Maribel over here.
Who gave that to you?
Lola Karen.
Lola Karen.
I'm gonna
Dumating
show
yung
you.
card
I'm
kahapon.
gonna show you
Regalo
what
para sa
what
kanya.
it looks like.
Hindi pa namin binasa. So we waited for today. Hi, anak. How was your sleep, baby girl?
Look.
Lini. Lini.
I love
Really?
Lego. I love my mama.
Ni. What does it say, anak?
I love my dad and I love my kids along. It's my birthday soon.
It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. babe.
Ma.
May laman na gift card pala to siya guys kahapon. So Lola Karen gave her $100. Yay! Lucky girl. Can you say thank you to Lola Karen here?
Thank you, Lola Karen.
Yay! Tapos, may mga damit. Pagkita ko doon mamaya guys. Mga damit for baby Celine. We will read it na. Do you want me to read it for you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Dearest Paris, wishing you a day that's as special as you are. Happy 4th birthday. I am so proud of you, Paris. You bring me so much joy watching you grow into the beautiful little girl you are. Love you to the moon and back. Lola Karen and Jeff. Aww.
That's cute.
That's cute, isn't it?
If you close it, the new car will be small. And if you open it, it will be bigger and bigger.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That's really magic.
That's magic. Do
Yeah.
you love your card?
Yeah, I do.
Is Lola Karen very sweet?
Yeah, he is. But have a look at this.
Tingnan yung ginawa niya sa card, guys. Nalagyan niya yung mga stamp.
Yeah, I buy that in the shops.
Did you?
Yeah, when I got my rainbow, when I got my blue, squishy Barbie ball.
Alright. Celine, do you wanna sing happy birthday to Ate Paris na?
Hey, Boosty Doodoo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Paris. don't itch, anak.
I'm gonna put a
Well,
cheese.
we have to put the cream. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 4. Oh my God, you're a big girl, honey.
1, 2, 3,
Auntie Paris is a
4.
big girl now, my love. How about you? When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
Oh, she can have a birthday too.
She can't have birthday like today, nak, because today is your special day. Yeah? Ba, alam nyo guys, wala kaming bonggang-bonggang celebration today. Wala kaming mga, ang tawag ito, mga decorations and all. Kasi nga, di ba? Ate, would you like to take Celine out there now so we can open your presents?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Mom, I really want to take this out. I'll feel my hair dry.
Okay, take it off. Kasi nga, di ba, ngayon kami aalis papunta
Let's
ng
try now.
CAIRNS.
Mom, let's go.
Where are we going later, anak?
Which one?
Or are we going later?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Tomorrow?
No. We're going to the airport.
Airport.
Yeah. So, this afternoon, guys,
My
lalarga na kami,
birthday,
pupunta
let's
kami ng airport.
open their presents.
Kaya, hindi kami makakaano ng birthday niya. Kasi,
Let's go.
yung plano talaga namin is, yung birthday celebration niya is next weekend. So, yeah. Today, obviously, you know, it's her birthday. We make it, you know, very special and all. But yung proper celebration talaga with
Okay.
cousins and all
Mom, can
is
we
next
go?
weekend. Of course. Well, carry Celine. Oh, would you like to open it here? Or there?
Here.
Okay. Would you like to carry it here?
Yeah.
Bring them here. Bring them here. Because Celine is here. Oh. Honey girl, how was your sleep, my love? Love ka na ni Mama. Yee! Oh. Oh. Did you sleep well? Ay, big girl naman kay ka na.
Here.
What else? Go, bring them all here.
Oh, all of them?
Yes.
Pass.
Start na siyang mag-open ng kanyang presents, oh. May nang bubulabog.
Oh, this is cool.
Sabi niya, Mommy, I just gave Celine that so she doesn't touch mine.
Oops.
What did you give to Celine, honey?
This one, but he's not grabbing it or he's not playing with it because he wants the little ones.
Yeah, she like yours.
That's mine too, but Sneak can still have it because he can't have smalls because he'll choke.
That's right, exactly. She can't have the small one because she will choke if she put it in her mouth, correct?
Ooh,
Tingnan niyo,
the
guys, oh.
knife.
Ito yung mga napamili namin kagabi. And guess what? May mga na-open na to siya.
Hi, Celine.
May mga na-open na to siya. Ayan, kagabi. Ito. Ito na lang yung mga naiwan. My little shop, learning about money. Don't fall down. Yung mga binili namin ni Daddy Mike is yung malalaro talaga namin na involved kami ba. Kasi, katulad nito guys, oh, sobrang mahal pa naman ito. Tapos pag open, wala na. Yun na. Hindi na niya lalaruin. She just loves opening ba.
Ma, you have to have a rest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why? Am I sick?
Yeah, it's really sick.
Okay. That's not good.
It's okay, Ma. I'll fix you.
And then this one here. Wood puzzles. She loves wood puzzles, guys. Clay. And then some nail art.
I love that.
Yeah, I know you do. That's why we got it for you.
No, Daddy got it for me.
That's what I'm doing. And this one. Scented door.
Santa door. I love that too.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just
very
like-
nice. Celine, are you helping Ate Paris now? Are you helping Ate Paris?
Now I'm gonna be a doctor.
Okay. Be? Wow. What would you like to be when you grow up, Paris?
A doctor.
A doctor? And why is that?
That's why I got this toy.
Yeah, why would you like to be a doctor when you grow up?
Because I love fixing people's.
You love fixing people. That's very nice. Are you gonna fix Mama when Mama gets old?
Yeah.
And Daddy too?
Yeah, of course. I will. That's a great idea to do.
That's a great idea to do.
I'm gonna pay taxes.
Yeah. Si Daddy Mike ay working pa guys. He started really early today. Hindi pa ako magpapakita guys ha kasi hindi pa ako ready. Kaninang umaga, ako mag-empake para yung mga gamit.
Mommy.
Oh, you look so cool.
Oops.
Because I think around 3 o'clock kami alis dito. And then, yeah. We're going on a plane. Nakno? You know, we're just going to celebrate Ate Paris' birthday today. Na hindi pa yung ano talaga. Yung bonggang-bongga talaga, but you know, she always feel that she's special, guys. We always make her feel that.
Why you have to have a rest?
Why?
Oh, wait.
Tingnan nyo, nanonood lang sa kanyang ate. Celine?
Mommy,
Yes, ate.
it's your turn first.
Okay. What's wrong with me, doctor?
Mom, you have to tell which one hurts.
Oh, okay. I think I hurt my back.
Your back? Don't worry. Let's see the page of this. Oh, you have to have a rest.
Okay. All right, then.
Can I hear your new tummy?
My tummy?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's
Careful.
Oh, fine. Oh, look at all of these toys.
Okay.
It looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good. No issue? No problem, doctor?
Yeah, really good, but I think you need a little bit of a monitor.
A thermometer, okay.
Open. Okay. Oh, you're in C 2 3.
2, 3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that good or bad?
Good.
It's good. Oh, okay. I'm very happy with that. Hala. Hala.
Actually, I'm going to check my ears now.
That's for your ear. Let her. Here's our birthday girl, guys. Ngayon na ulit nakapag-update. It's 3 o'clock. Nagising ko tuloy. Nabisan ko na yan, tapos nakatulog. Alas 3 na ng hapon, guys. We are leaving very soon. So, nabisi kanina, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-update. Ayan. Very sleepy. Ang ating baby Celine nga, tulog pa. Ayan, tulog na tulog pa, oh. So, I'm just gonna change her clothes now. Kailangan na kasi, guys. Kanina pa to siya tulog, eh. Kaya lang, yung panahon kasi, tingnan nyo, uulan na naman yata. So, alam niyo, maganda yung panahon pang tulog. Hi, my love. Hi. I'm so sorry to bother you, sweetheart. Hala, ayaw magbabother. Ayaw magbabother ng baby girl. Very sleepy. It's funny, right? Kasi kapag tulog yan sila, tapos ayaw mo silang gisingin and you make a little bit of noise, nagigising. Ngayon, gusto mong gisingin, ayaw magising. Ay, honey girl. Ay, honey girl. I've got no choice, guys. Patulog ko na lang to siya ulit sa Uber. Ayan, guys. Nabihisan niya ang ating baby. Baby Celine, hello. Hi. Ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa rin. Ate? Birthday girl? Birthday girl? You're gonna go on the plane. You're gonna go on the plane. Alam nyo ba na ang biyahe is, was it 2 hours and 20 minutes? Sa plane? So, So is it like further than Melbourne to Brisbane? Wow, I can't believe it, guys. Can you imagine kung gaano kalaki yung yung Australia? Nak, no? Nanak, no? So makakarating kami doon around 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7:20 ata. No, 7:40. 7:40, yeah, kasi 5:20 yung alis ng aeroplano dito. So, hopefully, hindi, guys, kasi natatakot ako mabiyahe ng uy, anak ko, sorry, anak, I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. Natatakot ako pag hindi maganda yung panahon, biyahe ba? Ate Paris, birthday girl! Wake up, wake up! No. We're just waiting for our taxi, guys. Andito na kami sa
I
labas.
thought that was the taxi was ours.
No.
But that's funny.
Nini.
Oh, that's where you're going.
Where?
Yeah.
I know. Can you hear the plane?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, that's where we're going. To the airport. Tingnan nyo ang dress, guys. It's a bit big on her. Pero it looks so beautiful. So love it. Diba? Ganyan naman siguro talaga yan. Maxi dress. So yan yung aming bit-bit. Yan yung for the kids. And the carrier, hindi na namin dinala yung pram ni baby Celine. And then the black one for daddy. And then the red one is for me. Tapos laman niyang isa is nappies and Berda. Hindi pala ito na-close na mabuti. Sa taxi na lang. Ito siya ay very sleepy, you guys. Oh, you can sleep in the taxi nak and the plane. Yeah?
Or in the taxi.
In the taxi, yeah. Where are we going for your birthday? Where? I can't hear you.
Dream World.
Dream World, yeah. So we are doing that next weekend, guys. Today, we're just going to the airplane to CAIRNS.
We're going to Palm. Can you say Palm Cove? Have you been to Palm Cove?
It's a video.
You sick of the rain?
It's a video. Dito na kami sa airport, guys.
Yep, I have.
Dito na kami sa
Someone's saying that,
airport.
what do you do?
Wanna sing?
I can't do it without it.
Well, I tried turning the tap off, you know.
I got
And Australia is fire, flood and drought. And people can't accept that. I find people that have lived all their lives in cities just don't understand.
don't get me wrong, I don't like it.
You're the man on my dream. Chasing
I like it. I love it.
We just landed, tita and tito. It's nearly 8 o'clock ng gabi. Hinintay lang namin. Ay, hindi pa sa Daddy Michael. So, kita ba? Ayan. Ah, my goodness. Itong ating baby girl ay sobrang paiyak-iyak sa aeroplano. My goodness. Sobra, guys, yung stress natin, no? Nanak, no? Are you okay, na? Are you okay? Ayaw kasi nakaupo lang ba? Can you imagine? It's 2 hours and 20 minutes din. So, here's the birthday girl. Ate! Ate! Say hi! Alam niyo ba, guys, grabe, sobrang init ng kanilang hangin dito. Pagkalabas namin ng aeroplano, talagang nagpawis talaga yung aking mga paaba kasi sobrang ginaw sa loob tapos sobrang init ng ihip ng hangin. Alright, we're ready. We're going, guys. We'll see you there.
A few moments later.
Yes.
That fish already
Yes, we just arrived, guys. Ayan ang aming hotel, taxi. And then I think we're staying here. I think Paradise on the beach. Oh, bongga dito, guys. Grabe. Parang mga ano lang ang mga place dito. Ang tawag dito,
And
mga...
are the inside or the outside?
Yeah, inside maybe na. You found it, Bob?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good.
Bye bye. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Alright.
Huh?
I'm going. Oh my god, guys. Grabe, I am sweating. Kung mainit sa Brisbane,
Are you sweating?
I am, yeah. Probably because I'm carrying this big baby as well. And then tingnan niyo, oh. Sobrang ganda dyan, guys. Oh. Rattle and ham. Pumpkin. Oh. Yay. Paris, this way, anak. Where you going? Night entry. Alam niyo guys, yung mga lugar, mga ano dito parang mga ano lang, mga restaurant. Ganyan talaga siguro yung ano, no?
Yes, Mackenzie.
Ah. Are you Mackenzie?
Do you want to grab that up? Because my hands are very full.
Guest Lori. Who's Lori? Daddy?
Not us. Okay. Guess Mackenzie. Okay, Mackenzie.
Oh, I have to get the food. Guest Mackenzie. Okay, sabi sa instruction guys, take the lift daw. Punta sa first floor. Oh my god, I'm sweating really, really bad. Hey Paris, let's go. You okay? Wow. Tingnan niyo, kita niyo ba ang aking... Oh, tingnan niyo ang aking sweat guys. Pawis na pawis.
I'm sweating.
Oh my goodness, are you? Oh,
Really?
my goodness. Okay. My room. Ganito ang kanilang mga room. Ganyan. Oh, it's so hot.
Yeah, the lizards.
We've arrived.
I
Yeah.
see one.
Have you seen that now?
Yeah, I found it. Can I see the snake?
Oh, study.
No, that's okay. They've gone to sleep now.
Ah, we're in the room
It's alright, we'll stay away.
now. Oh my
see them
goodness.
And then more.
It's so cool here now, guys. So this is our bed. Mainit sa labas. Naka-on na ang air conditioner dito, so it's better. Do you wanna sit down na? Kapayak-iyak ka na eh. One, two. Saya na. Are you happy now? So hot, yeah? Sobrang layo, guys, from the airport. It's $67 for the taxi. Isn't that right? No? Hey, ayan siya payak-iyak, guys. Oh my god, I understand as well. It's a long day for her. Yeah. What are you doing? You poo-poo? You pooping? You pooping? Yeah, good girl na among baby, oy. Right. It's good, guys, kasi malaki yung space. Oy! You okay? I can't wait to see what it looks like outside bukas. We might go out actually. Mag-relax muna kami konti. Go out for dinner kasi it's late now. Wala pa kaming dinner. Nak na? Okay, love mo na ni Momo. Ay, paiyak-iyak mo na sa airplane.
Beautiful. Come have a look.
What's outside now?
Have a look.
A pool, come.
A pool?
Come.
Oh my god, have you got a pool?
Yeah, just come. I will show you.
Okay, alright. We'll go
But
have a
there's
look.
bugs
Oh
on
my
the
goodness,
floor.
guys. Gusto ko lang talagang
Ma,
humiga.
there's bugs in the floor.
There's bugs.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, there's bugs.
There's 2 bugs. I'm scared.
Maybe they're just saying happy birthday to you, my love.
I'm really scared of that.
Yeah. We'll just go get, we'll go to the restaurant outside.
I'm scared.
Real close soon, guys. So, alis na kami. We're just gonna get, a cake.
I'm really scared of insects.
Don't be scared, my love. Nak, what cake would you like to get?
Sprinkle?
Sprinkle cake?
Actually, I really want a big one.
A big one?
Yeah, I really want a big
Yeah,
one.
we can't finish it if it's a real big one.
It's okay. We can share.
Yeah?
I can share with my cousins. Because there's lots of cousins. And that's why I'll give it to them.
Yeah, but they're not here.
It's okay. We will see them next time.
Yeah, we'll see them next weekend
Yeah, and
when we celebrate your birthday. But your birthday's today. Nak, honey, how old are you today? 4.
still 4.
Yeah, still 4?
When it's more, I'm going to be still 4.
Still 4, yeah, of course, until next year. So, how do you feel now that you are 4 years old?
Good, but
Good?
I want to show you the pool outside. There's 2 pools. But
Really?
But there's closed.
They're close?
Yeah, but we can go there next time and check if it's open.
Yeah, maybe in the morning.
I don't
It's nighttime now, that's why it's closed.
Oh, when it's nighttime, everything closes.
Exactly. Yeah, because everyone goes to sleep.
Oh,
Everyone goes to
oh,
sleep.
Mommy, the bugs are moving.
What kind of bug is it? Nak?
I don't know. I don't know which bug is that.
Celine is watching too, see?
But I seen bugs inside the house side.
Hmm?
I seen bugs on the other side, and I seen a big dragonfly in the top.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I seen a little tiny lizard.
Oh, that's cute. Nak, did you enjoy your flight
Yeah.
in the plane?
Yeah, but I forgot my Elsa lipstick.
Yeah. Because you broke it, that's why.
I
It was scary na. I was scared when it was moving. Very, na-anxious na ako ngayon, guys,
I
kapag
think
sumasakay ako ng aeroplano. Ewan ko lang.
I think they're
Takot na
saying
ako.
Happy birthday, Paris.
That's what they're trying to do. Tingnan nyo, ito. Isa hapulog ka Selena. Hapulog ka Selene. Hapulog ka Selene.
My can you
Huh?
come? My can you come with me? Can you carry me?
Where's the bug? Which one?
There's one over there. One over there next to her.
Ano, meron nga, guys. So, very tropical kasi, guys. Guys, alam niyo ba? Sa Queensland, very warm. Very hot. May mga ano. Diba, meron nga dyan, oh.
Carry.
Takot! Natakot! Natakot!
My carry.
Nagbihis ako ng shirt, guys. Tignan nyo, kasi naka-long sleeve ko ngayon, naka-sweater ako kanina, guys. Sobrang init talaga. Pawis na pawis ako, kaya nag-change ako ng shirt para very comfortable lang tayo. Ayan. Tignan nyo, si Manay. Very comfortable na nanood ng kanyang, Ryan. Alright, let us go. Let us go. We'll have some dinner now. Let us go. Lini. Meron silang ganito dito sa labas, guys. So, we'll do a proper tour tomorrow kasi madilim na eh. Oh, beautiful.
So that's where we went swimming.
That's so nice. But I didn't even bring any of that, like, swimming stuff. I didn't know we were gonna swim. Just came here for a wedding. I'll show you better tomorrow, guys. I think it's going to look much better in the morning. Oh, ang simoy ng hangin is so hot. Gabi. I can't.
Wait till you feel tomorrow's.
Gabi na, guys, ha? Can you imagine bukas? Good luck.
Lock the door?
Huh?
Yeah, shall we go for back to our room now?
It looks so cute here, guys.
Take what you say?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Let's do that. Tignan nyo, oh. Ito lang sa sa harapan lang to ng kung saan kami nagstay. Sobrang cute. Tignan nyo, oh. Oh. First time kaya namin dito, guys. At kahit study mat, first time niya yata dito. Kaya ganyan ang kalang post office. Oh, sobrang liit. Oh my God. So, sobrang busy nila, guys. Pizza time. Shall we sing happy birthday? They don't have any cake there, guys. It's too late now. Everything's closed.
Maybe we can make a cake. Maybe that's make a cake.
Yeah. Shall we sing happy birthday with this one? Tomorrow there will be cake for sure. In the wedding, yeah? Yeah? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Yay, good job.
Love you, precious.
We love you, anak.
Love you, sweetie.
Did you like your toys this morning?
Yes.
Hmm?
Don't worry, Bubba. We're gonna have a big, proper birthday party for you. We're gonna have a big one with all the family.
He's awake.
Don't draw, anak. Uy, scary mo. Uy,
We'll have a
hala!
proper one for you on a Saturday, so Daddy does not working.
Ah, look.
What happened today?
Paris' hand. Ice cream.
We'll have a proper one when no one's working and it's Saturday.
Yeah.
You go to Dream World.
Today, 4 years today, honey. Mommy pushed you out from my tummy. You were like, "Wah, wah," like that. Show me your face, babe. 4 years later. Ah, bulingit gahapon ay. 4 years later.
I wonder if
Tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo. It's Ate Paris' birthday today, my love. Did you greet Ate? Did you? Say happy birthday, Ate. Come on. Sleepy na yun siya.
if the cousins and that all can't come to like Dream World, maybe they can meet us at.
They see, because I told them like, we'll do something next weekend, and they said we're keen.
Yeah, I was wondering if like
Sunog man yung ilang pizza eh.
that's really this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really the pineapple tastes like really fresh.
We are just sitting here sa ating couch. Kakalabas lang galing shower ng ating birthday girl. Have you had a good shower? May shower kasi yung tatay niya, si mama. Ang ating baby si Lynn ay tulog na, ayan. Dapat sana din kami sa loob, guys. Kaya lang, nakatulog siya dyan. So, dyan na lang siguro kami. Dalawa. Where would you like to sleep, anak? This bed or the other bed? The room, eh. Which one? Which one? Next to Celine? Yeah? Yeah, tomorrow it's going to be an exciting day. So our birthday girl today is going to be
Which
the
bed are you gonna sleep?
flower girl tomorrow.
Right. Which bed are you using?
This one.
And which I don't know which daddy.
Daddy has to sleep on the other one now because we don't have space here. I'm so sleepy now, guys. What a very long day.
I'm not sleepy.
You're not sleepy yet, birthday girl. How was your day, my love? Good? Did you enjoy opening your presents this morning?
Yeah. But I forgot to bring it here.
I know. It's okay. We'll go home in 2 sleeps. Tonight and tomorrow night. So we're going home on Sunday. I love you, my love. And happy birthday. Oh my gosh. My 4 years old. Oh my God. Can you imagine, guys? My 4 years old na ako ba? Lang sa man yun mga baby. Baby, tigulo. Anyways, guys, i-end ko na yung vlog dito, ha? So, we'll do vlog tomorrow, of course. Kasi gusto kong i-share din sa inyo si Ate Paris magiging flower girl bukas. Are you excited? Ilalabas ko pa pala yung mga damit na susuotin namin bukas para hindi sila crumpled ba. Yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I know wala kaming ginawang extra special today for Ate Paris' birthday, but I definitely do a special celebration soon. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Careful, bye.
bye.
Mwah.